Hello friends, myself Anish Kumar Singh, Department of Botany, DK College Dumrao. Today we will start a new topic that is known as plastid. First of all, we should look the discovery of plastid. The scientist Haeckel in 1865 first discovered and named the plastid. Now we will see where it is found and where it is absent. Plastids are found in plant cell and some protista, that is they are found in eukaryotes only, and absent in prokaryotes. In eukaryotes they are also absent in animal cell. That's why they are found only in plant cell and some protista. Example of some protista is Euglena. Plastids are the double membrane structure. They contain double-stranded circular DNA like bacteria and single-stranded RNA and 70S ribosome. Now we will see that all the plastids are developed from proplastid, that is the precursor. Precursor means raw material. These proplastids are found in meristematic region of the plant. When light falls on the proplastid, they are converted into plastid. And plastids are mainly of three types. First one is known as chloroplast, green in color. Second one is known as chromoplast, it is colored plastid. While third one is known as leucoplast, it is the colorless plastid. Now one thing is important, that one type of plastid may be converted into another type of plastid due to differentiation and redifferentiation. For example, you can see first etioplast is formed. Suppose, example, etioplast are the chloroplast that do not contain pigment. They are found in flowering plant, that is angiosperm, that grow in the absence of light. When etioplasts are exposed to light and a plant hormone that is known as cytokinin, then synthesis of chlorophyll takes place and etioplasts are converted into chloroplast. Now chloroplast may converted into chromoplast. In the same way, they may be converted into leucoplast, and leucoplasts are also of many types, that is amyloplast, eleuroplast and elaioplast. Now we will study about the types of plastid. On the basis of color, plastids are of three different types, that is known as chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Now first we will see the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are green in color because they contain green pigment, that is chlorophyll. They are found in green leaf and young stem in the plant, and they primarily helps in photosynthesis. Their primary function is photosynthesis. Now we will come to the second type, that is chromoplast. It is the colored plastid because it contains colored pigment like carotins or carotenoid. They are found in the colored part of the plant like flower and fruit. They help in pollination because they contain color and color attract the insect. When insect come to the flower, they causes pollination. And their second function is they also helps in photosynthesis because they absorb the light and transfer to the chlorophyll, mainly chlorophyll A. Now chromoplast is of two types, that is pheoplast and rhodoplast. Pheoplasts are brown in color. They contain pigment fucoxanthin and xanthophyll. They are found in brown algae. while rhodoplasts are red in color. They contain pigment phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. They are found in red algae. They also helps in photosynthesis by absorbing and transfer of light. Leucoplast. They are the colorless plastid because they have no any pigment. They are found in the plant part where light is absent, like root, seed and tuber. Root and tubers are underground. They are found inside the soil, while seed is found inside the fruit. That's why they are not in direct contact with light. That's why leucoplasts are found where light does not reach. Now, on the basis of storage of food product, leucoplasts are classified into three different types. First one is amyloplast. It stores carbohydrate, for example, potato, wheat, rice, etc. Second one is aleuroplast or proteinoplast. They store protein, for example, maize and pulses. One should be clear in the mind that aileron is the layer of protein found inside the seed. For example, in maize, it is found in the form of layer that is known as aileron. So, if you keep in mind the term aileron, we will never confuse about aleuroplast. We will be clear that aileron is related with protein. That's why aleuroplast will store protein. This is the trick for your remembrance. Now the third one is elaioplast. It stores food, for example, castor, groundnut, sunflower. All these three are found where light does not reach. They are the type of leucoplast. So this is the whole about the plastid. In the next lecture, we will appear with next YouTube lecture. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for further videos. Thank you.